if we get one back to back. Oh, already got hit once. Oh, got him. Back to back. Back to back. Oh, we got a little jumper. There he is. Oh yeah, they're thick in here. They're thick in here. Even though the babies are fun. There she is. Oop. They're slippery. See 3 in a row? Can we get 3 in a row? Let's see. I got a feeling get more than 3 in a row. Oh yeah. He hammered that. Hammered it. That's a good one. Got a belly on her. Come here. There she is. A little better. Look at those colors. Oh. Quick release. See if we get 4 in a row. Oh, that's 4 in a row. Oh my gosh. That's a baby. It's fish though. Little guppy. Alright, let's keep it going. Ah, that was not a good cast. There we go. Oh, there he is. That's a good one too. Alright, buddy. Come here. I got you, buddy. Let me get this hook out of you. There we go. Oh! Oh, there he goes. Five fish in one hole. It's not too bad. Let's see if we get another. The heck, he just swam under a rock. Get out of there. There he goes. Got himself stuck. Dude, I don't know if that'll get one. It's a bad cast. Oh, this might be a good one. Oh no, he just hit it hard. Geez, 6 in one hole, and these are all good size ones, except for that one small one. I mean, good size for a creek. Oh, it's nice and clear right here. Oh, oh, I saw him come and get it. Come here. Oh, it's a nice one. Come here, come here, come here. That's a better fish right there. For this creek, that's not bad at all. Oh, no, no, no. Come here. I got you, buddy. Let's get it out of here. There we go. Not bad. Be alright. Oh, there he is. There he is. Come here, buddy. Ooh, he's pink. Nice little rainbow. Finally starting to hook him. There we go. Ooh, this guy just jumped out the water. Oh, he popped off. Come on, hit it. Oh, there he is. There he is. Stay down. It's not very big, but I got him. He ate that one. Oh, oh, got him. Big one. Oh, stay on. Where? Oh, it's a nice one. Come here, come here, come here. Oh yeah, that's solid. That's a solid trout right there. Oh crap, that's a solid trout right there, guys. Solid trout. That's probably a good 12, 13-inch trout right there. That's what I'm talking about. It's almost eating size. Come here, come here. Chill out, Gaddy. Chill out. I'm gonna let you go. Just let me get it out of you. There we go. Oh, crap. Come here, buddy. Alright, one last look. And let him go. There he goes. Oh, got a nice one. Nice little creek trout. Come here, buddy. Oh my goodness, these guys are... I just caught three and... or had three on and three casts. I can't land them now. See if we get one more. There we go. Nice little trouty. Just swam up under the current. Gotta get to the bottom. Oh, right away. Come here, buddy. That's a pretty one right there.